In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can play YouTube while doing your work in your Windows or computer. So let's get started. So first is we need to open YouTube. So let's open Chrome. Click on it under the best match, maximize it. Search for youtube.com. Okay, so once you are in YouTube, as you can see, if you want to watch any videos in YouTube and you still have a work in your Windows, we are going to minimize this. Obviously, this will not keep on playing and you cannot see the screen or the video that is playing. So how can you work on your computer while the YouTube is playing? Okay, it's very easy. So once YouTube is opened, okay, all you have to do is you need to make a right click on the video, right click. Okay, it's a right click on your video. Let's say, for example, we're going to search for this one, movies like that. And you want to play this movie, all you have to do is make a right click on it, and then you'll have this option, picture in picture. And if you close the YouTube app, okay, let me try it again. Like that. And if I close this or minimize this, you don't have to close it. Okay, sorry for that. You don't have to close it, just have to minimize it. And this will be playing from here. Okay, you can click on this play icon to play the video, because if you're going to close it, that will also be gone or disappeared on your Windows. So you just have to minimize it. Now let's try again. Open Chrome. Okay, go to YouTube. Make a right click on the video that you're going to play, select picture in picture, and then just simply minimize it. Okay, you don't have to close it. And then just click on the play button to play the video while you are doing work on your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.